Welcome to Sauga Arts HUB, Mississauga's online arts community. In this video tutorial, we'll walk you through how to submit your own events to the Hub. Whether it's a performance, exhibition, workshop, recurring series, or anything you can dream up, get it featured on Sauga Arts HUB. Click Login at the top right of the page and enter your email and password. Once you're logged into your profile, hover over Events and select Submit Events. The Add New Event page is where you will be adding all of your event details. Let's use a recurring event as an example, say a weekly open mic night in Port Credit. Let's start with our event title. In this instance, we'll use Open Mic Thursdays as our example. Next, fill out your event description. Include what attendees can expect at their event, who the event is for, and any registration details. Next, scroll down to date and time. You can set up an event as a single event or mark it as a recurring event. For recurring events, choose how often it repeats. For example, every Thursday at 7 p.m. from October 16th as our start date to November 27 as our end date. Next, upload an event image. Please use a JPEG, PNG, or GIF file under 1 MB in size. Any image ratio is fine, but we recommend a square or portrait orientation image for best results. Select Choose Image, then choose an image from your device to upload. Select one or more event categories to help people find your event listing. You can pre-select categories like family, music, visual arts, and more. These tags make your event easier to filter in search results. If your event is virtual, click the Configure Virtual Event button to add your live stream or meeting link. Next, select the venue for your event. There are already tons of Mississauga locations saved in our system, so try searching for your venue name first before creating a new one. You can do the same thing for your organizer details. Search for your name or organization before adding in a new entry. Then, you can add an external link for more information. This could be to your event page, a ticket link, or a registration form. If your event is free, enter a 0 into the cost field. Otherwise, feel free to include the ticket price or price range. Before submitting, agree to the terms of submission and check I agree. If you would like to read the terms of submission or any other content policies, feel free to go to the About section on our website. Lastly, click Submit Event at the bottom of the page. And that's it! All submitted events are reviewed by the Sauga Arts HUB team and are typically approved within 1 to 2 business days. Once approved, your event will also be shared in our Hub Highlights newsletter. To view or edit your event listings, go to Events, Submit Events, and click the View Your Submitted Events button on the form. From there, you can see your current and past events, check if your events have been published, update event details, or delete listings as needed. If you have any questions, notice a bug, or need any assistance at all, please reach out to us at info@saugaartshub.com. Thanks for being a part of the Sauga Arts HUB community.